Kaze everyone, so today we're gonna make our green pasture soap. It's made out of lemongrass and lemongrass essential oil and French green clay and what else? Shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. Let me show you how it looks like. Here it is. This is our green pasture soap. If you love lemongrass, this is the soap for you. This soap could be used on the face and body and hands. So I get a lot of questions about my soap, like, oh, can you use the soap on your face, or can you use the soap on your body? And it's like, these soaps that I make are catered to sensitive skin. So if you can use it on your face, you can use it on your whole body. The ingredients are specially picked so that you can use it, so that it's safer on your whole body. So yes, you can use this soap on your whole skin, anywhere that needs to be washed, your face, your ears, your hands, your whole body. You can use this on your whole skin. So it's not just for your face, or it's not just for your body. You can also use it for your hands. Usually handmade soaps, they're really expensive, so I wouldn't recommend them I wouldn't recommend just wasting them to just wash your hands, because they have really good ingredients, like really good organic natural ingredients. So I'll recommend you actually use it for like your face, your body, so you can get that, because they're very luxurious. Yes, I'll just recommend you can also use it on your hands. Obviously, you have to wash your hands to wash your face and wash your body. So it doesn't matter, just use the soap wherever you need cleansing. But yeah, so we're gonna make this soap today. We're gonna restock on this one. I have a holiday event that I'm gonna be attending pretty soon. So yeah, we're running out of it. So we're gonna restock today. We're gonna make a whole lot of it, probably like 40 bars of this soap. So if you're interested in watching that, please stay tuned, and thank you so much for coming by and watching my videos. If you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my video. I appreciate you very much. But let's get into the video. Okay, so we got our shea butter and coconut oil all in here. We're gonna melt it, and then we'll start making our soap. Here that has broken off. I actually need to replace this blender because has a little bit of that I actually need. We're doing our green pasture soap. Our lye is ready. Gonna go ahead and mix it up. Mix it with our oils. These are shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. So we're gonna mix our lye water solution. It might not fit, but I'm gonna transfer it to the next one, so it's fine if it doesn't fit, because I'll put more right in here. I can mix it very well. It's bit over, but that's all right. I'll use some. I ended up spitting it anyway. That's quite all right. Soap making is a little bit messy. Okay. Okay, we're gonna mix it back in here. Put it back. Nope, still spilled it. That's all right. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. Add a little more in here because I only need one. Only need one tray. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add our essential oil. We got our lemongrass essential oil. Gotta check how many pounds. Okay. 10 pounds. Ooh, one. Here we got 9. Transfer some of this green. In here. Okay. So we're gonna add it to our mold. This one is a little more. Okay, and then okay, added our first layer. Now we're gonna add our green pasture stuff. French green clay. Okay, with that, we're gonna add a little bit more. All mixed up. Gonna check it out. This is gonna be tough. We're gonna take my dandy tool and bring some of those whites up a little bit. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. bit. Bit of cleaning. It's ready. So, and then add our last batter. This is what we'll have when we're done with the other one after the cutting. Stay tuned for the cutting if you're interested. That's gonna be on my next video, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that when I do post the cutting video, you'll be notified when my video is posted. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you again next time. Amahoro.